Hello viewers, welcome back to Yamidi channel. In this video, I will show you how to insert a chart in Microsoft Word like this. Let us see how to do it. First open a Microsoft Word document, go to insert and you will have an icon like chart. You can see it is a graph. So click on this chart. You will have different types of charts available here. Now I am going to tell you about how to insert a pie chart. So initially the pie chart is this for 5 categories. Now I will choose one category, click on OK. The chart will be enabled here. The Microsoft version which I am using is Microsoft Office 2016. So in 2016 if I click on the chart type, it will show you the chart datas here. Okay, depends upon these datas, this chart has been plotted. So you can see here, this is the title of this chart. So I can rename this. I am entering it as profit. As soon as I enter here, the title of this chart will be automatically changed. So here the chart categories are first quarter, second quarter, third, fourth quarter. Okay, now I am going to change this one. I am entering it as first year, second year, third year, fourth. So as soon as I type the titles here, it is changing here. You can see this complete circle is divided into these percentages. So I'm going to change this as well. Now I am entering it as 80. You can see the entire circle is 100 percentage. With this 100 percentage is 80 is calculated. The remaining 20 percentage is calculated for 3.2, 1.4, 1.2. So now I am going to change this as well. 30. You can see it is changing, and 15 and one more 15. You can see these two is 15 and 30 and this is 80. So now I am going to close this. So you can also modify this chart type into whatever are the options available. So now I am changing this chart type. Now I am going for 3D pie. So it is converted as 3D. You can change the 3D appearance into the different forms which is available here. You can see this arrow. You can change this type as well. So then after that you can change this color combinations by using this change colors. Either you can use it from here or you can use it from here as well. You can see here this brush like icon is available here. Click on that. You can see the change style type, where you can change the styles of the chart, and the color combination is available in the color button. You can change the color combination as well, and then you can filter this chart. You can see whenever I move this cursor here, you can check the different values which is available in this chart. So unselect everyone and click on this particular view you have wanted to see, and then you can deselect everything. Then you can add the legends. This is called legends. Once you uncheck box this one, it will remove. Likewise, you can do for the titles and data labels, everything. Okay, then this is called positioning, and you can change the position of the graph, this chart, to anywhere in this Word document. So you can change this font colors as well, and you can increase the size as well. You can see here, whenever I click on this font button, it is changing, and then you can change the colors. I hope you can see this. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Yalnidhi channel. Please click on like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.